This is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify. Now it's pretty simple what you have to do. So you just want to go to your Shopify admin, online store and themes. From there you want to go to the theme you want to edit, then click on the three dots and edit default theme content. In the filter items search box, enter Powered, and this will bring out Powered by Shopify and Powered by Shopify HTML boxes. Basically, what you want to do is just enter like a single space, and if your store is password protected, then you can repeat this step for the Powered by Shopify HTML box, which appears on your store opening soon page. Then you just want to click save, and that's it. If you want to do it on your iPhone, steps are pretty much the same. Sales channel, online store, manage all themes, find the theme you want to edit, and then it's the same as for desktop. It's similar when it comes to the Android. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.